This video is our guide to the Odyssey3D Roam onboarding process. Ready to begin? Simply hit Get Started. Click Selected Plan on the Choose a Plan page to continue to the next step. It's time to inject your personality into your virtual space. Upload your logo and add your brand's catchy tagline. Once you've uploaded your brand assets, hit Save Changes. Next, choose your ideal layout. Filter the themes by category to explore different styles or sort by frames based on your unique product lineup. Click on a theme that catches your eye to view its possible color combinations. Then, select Preview to take a virtual stroll through its interior and hit Select to secure your new space. Your 3D experience is now ready to go. Open your Shopify theme editor in a new tab. Hover over where you'd like to add the virtual store, select Add section, and head to the Apps tab. Choose 3D Shop Experience and watch your website transform. Use the Odyssey3D sliders to customize the appearance of the app block to suit your branding. Once you're happy with your edits, select Save to unveil your new virtual experience. Feel free to return to the Odyssey3D dashboard at any time to customize your virtual experience in real time, upgrade your selected package, or access our resources. Thank you for choosing Odyssey3D.